Hello everyone, my name is Maninder Singh. I believe every student is different, so we have to change our strategy to meet the expectation of every student. The drastic improvement in the last 3 years of our result is the proof that how we are successfully converting a below par student into an average student and an average student into a topper. Here are the feedbacks of few of our students.
My name is Divangshi sir. I'm a student of St. Francis D Sale School. मेरा overall percentage 12th में है 97.5 and I have scored 95 marks in mathematics. Now talking about mathematics, credit definitely goes to Maninder sir. So the things that helped me the most was first daily homework. Although मुझे daily homework करना पसंद तो नहीं था, but gradually I realized that I have to do maths daily because of this daily homework. Second will be timely test and its timely evaluation. Now I felt this was the most helpful क्योंकि timely test ने मुझे help करा to be more accurate with my answers and revision test helped me to cope up with the speed. Third and the most important will be sir की strategy. Now sir has pre-planned everything, how we have to move forward, how are we going to re-revise our syllabus. He has strategies to approach different sections of the question paper differently. So literally that is amazing. सर ने मेरा एक डाउट क्लियर कर दिया था पेपर से पहले, नॉट जस्ट इन द क्लास बट ऑल्सो वर्चुअली थ्रू दी व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप. सो ओवरऑल इट वॉज अ ग्रेट एक्सपीरियंस एंड आई जस्ट फील इट वॉज अ प्लेजर फॉर मी बीइंग mentored by a teacher like him. So thank you sir.
My name is Ridham Dasdeva and I would like to thank Maninder sir for helping me score such good marks in my mathematics exam of CBSE board. His way of teaching is very good. He makes a plan at the beginning of the year for the whole year and any student who follows that plan made by him can score above 90 plus easily. He is also always there for your doubts and he hosts multiple exams so that you can check which areas you are strong in and which areas you are weak in. Once again, I would like to thank Maninder sir for helping me score such good marks. Thank you.
हेलो एवरीवन, मेरा नाम वंशिका है और इस बार मैंने अपने 12th बोर्ड एग्ज़ाम्स दिए हैं और मेरे मैथ्स के मार्क्स 90 हैं एंड दैट्स बिकॉज ऑफ मनिंदर सर. उन्होंने जिस तरीके से कॉन्सेप्ट्स क्लियर कराए हैं आई थिंक कोई नहीं करा सकता क्योंकि वो कॉन्सेप्ट बहुत अच्छे से क्लियर कराते हैं और वही हमारा मेन बेस होता है. किसी भी सब्जेक्ट के लिए सबसे पहले हमें कॉन्सेप्ट्स आने चाहिए और उन्होंने कॉन्सेप्ट्स बहुत अच्छे तरीके से क्लियर कराया. थैंक यू सर.
Hey, I am Muskan Arora and I have secured 97.4% in my 12th standard boards from Commerce stream. I am from CFS and that's where I know Maninder sir from. I had taken coaching from him in both my 11th and 12th standard from IOTA Institute and would definitely recommend him to other students. His style of teaching is just amazing and leaves you with crystal clear understanding of concepts. He'll provide you with a self-compiled booklet of NCERT questions and FAQs which are important from board's point of view. And yeah, be ready for frequent tests and assignments that will help you analyze your performance and improve for the boards. I sincerely thank Maninder sir for all his efforts, patience and hard work he had put in to get me to the 96 score that I achieved in my mathematics exam. Thank you.
My name is Ananya and I scored 89 in mathematics in class 12th. Of course, the credit goes to the impeccable teachings of Maninder sir, for he helped me establish a concrete understanding of the subject, and undoubtedly the homework have helped me remain in sync with the concepts and a regular practice of the same. Of course, the frequently organized tests, they not only help me with my timing but also help me overcome the anxiety of being in an atmosphere of examination, and of course gave me an understanding of the pattern of the exam. Sir have always been considerate enough to help me with any doubts, be it whatever and whenever. So I'm always thankful to sir for that. It was an honor to be a student, sir. Thank you so much.
Hi guys, this is Muskan and I've scored 97 in maths. All the credits I would really like to give it to the maths teacher, Maninder sir. So your teaching methods and your test series really helped a lot, and the way you motivated me for the exam and everything, all your efforts are really appreciable. सर आपकी दुआ काफ़ी काम आई हमें एग्ज़ाम्स में और उसी की वजह से आज हम ये स्कोर कर पाए हैं. थैंक यू वेरी मच.
Join us to be the part of our growing legacy. Remember, we strive for your success.